This GERD Awareness Month, know more about gastroesophageal reflux disease with Dr. Subhadeep Pal from Kolkata. Doctor, please tell us, what is GERD?
Gastroesophageal reflux disease is a condition that involves our stomach and the food pipe. It is a chronic condition that occurs when stomach acid or bile flows into the food pipe and irritates the lining. The symptoms of heartburn or acid reflux more than twice a week may indicate the presence of GERD or GERD. Symptoms include burning pain in the chest that usually occurs after eating and worsens when lying down flat.
Doctor, how can I find out the difference between heartburn and chest pain?
Chest pain is no way related to food intake or any feeling of acidity. Heartburn typically feels like a burning in the center of the chest behind the breastbone. When you have heartburn, you may also feel symptoms like a burning feeling in your chest that can last anywhere from a few minutes to a couple of hours. Pain in your chest is felt when you bend over or lie flat, and this is easily recognized by anyone.
Doctor, how is GERD different from acidity?
Acidity is a component of GERD. While acidity might be felt in the form of acid in the throat or souring of the mouth, there are typical symptoms that are present when acidity is coupled with GERD, like heartburn, pain in the center of the chest, symptoms aggravating or deteriorating with the change of posture, and typically occurring after food intake, differentiates between simple acidity and GERD.
Doctor, how important is diet for GERD management? What food items can be avoided?
Generally, there are foods that are known to make GERD worse, like milk and dairy products, citrus fruits, tomatoes, spicy foods, tea and coffee, soda, fried foods, chocolate. But at the same time, a balanced diet, low in calories, will also help the GERD patient lose weight. And we all know by now that losing weight, keeping the weight under control, is going to improve GERD. There's a very positive relation between shedding weight and controlling GERD symptoms.
Doctor, does being overweight increase my chances to get GERD?
Well, evidence suggests a strong link between being overweight and acid reflux. Losing weight is one of the best lifestyle changes one can make to reduce the worsening symptoms of heartburn as well as the risk for other health complications. You should stick to your treatment plan, balanced and well-planned diet. Remember, if GERD is not controlled in time, the lining of the food pipe is constantly irritated, damaged, and ultimately it can lead to a number of other complications and even things like esophageal cancer.
Doctor, apart from diet and weight loss, what are the other treatment options?
The main three types of drugs, antacids, H2 receptor blockers, and proton pump inhibitors, focus around either neutralizing the excess acid in the stomach or bringing down the total amount of acid prepared or manufactured in your stomach. They work extremely well when coupled with another class of drugs known as prokinetic agents. These medicines are quite sufficient in healing the inflamed food pipe and stomach, and other options like surgery are extremely rarely required.
Dr. Subhadeep Pal is a consultant physician in internal medicine with AMRI Hospitals Kolkata and Sharanya Hospitals Bardhaman with a total experience of 26 years.